I'm going to show you how to make limoncello. Right, so guys, here I've got 500 ml of vodka and here are our limes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to carefully peel each one, and what we really want to do is peel it in a way that we don't get any of that white stuff on it, because if we get this white stuff on it here, then that's going to make our limoncello very bitter. I'm just going to pop them into here. So let's just go ahead and peel all of these. And you can use a stronger alcohol for this if you want to. You don't have to use vodka. You can use grappa or 96% alcohol. I mean, vodka's easy to get your hands on, so I'm using that. And the results are pretty much the same, to be honest. So I'm going to pop these limes in the fridge for now, and we'll use them for something else. So here we've got our lime zest, and we're just going to pour over that vodka. And so we're going to leave this now for 1 week. So let's put the lid on this, put it in a dark, cool place, and then we'll be back in 1 week to carry on the process. So guys, this has been soaking for 1 week, and I'm super excited to see how it smells. Colour's quite amazing. I mean, this is lime, but actually it's gone quite yellow. Let's strain this now. So here I have a jug with a sieve on top, and I'm just going to pour this straight into the jug. Wow, the lime peel's really lost its colour. It looks a bit sad. Just make sure we get every drop out of that. And now we're just going to pour this into our bottle. So I've got a funnel in the top here. It's just so it makes it easier to pour it in. So now we are ready to make our simple syrup. What I'm going to do is get 200 grams of granulated sugar and put it into our saucepan. Then I'm going to add 500 ml of water. Put the heat on, and we want to mix this continuously for about 15 minutes just to make sure that everything is combined. It's really important that the sugar dissolves, otherwise it will start to crystallize in our drink. Now the simple syrup is done, I'm just going to pour it into our jug and then allow it to cool. So now that this simple syrup has cooled, we are going to pour it into our limoncello bottle. Whilst this is actually technically ready to drink now, we actually want to leave this for another week. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the lid on, and then I'm going to have a little taste just to let you guys know what I think of it, because it is my first time trying this. So it's still a little bit warm, and you are meant to serve limoncello, that sort of thing cold from the freezer. But just for the sake of this video, I'm going to try it as it is. Not too much, just a little bit. Cheers. So in my opinion, guys, is that it tastes very similar to limoncello. It's got a slight limey flavour. I think I might actually prefer it to limoncello, which is quite surprising.